Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to translate a whole web page or a website on your Microsoft Edge mobile browser. So you can just translate English to whatever the language that you just needed by using this particular option on your Microsoft Edge mobile browser. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Now, how to translate a page on your Microsoft Edge mobile. So it's simple. You can just easily translate any page, any web page to what the language that you just needed. For an example, I just going to search as Google. So this is in Google result page. I just need to translate this particular result page into other language. So just click on the stated option on the bottom section. Just swipe sideways and you will see your option called translate on here. Click on this translate option. So here actually I just choose a translate language as Tamil. So every English can be changed to Tamil. So you can just click on this option and you can see a lot of options here. You can also choose whatever. For an example, I just choose French. You can see everything has been changed to French. Click on this option and just change to Bulgaria. I mean everything has been changed to Bulgaria. So this is how you just change. If you do just need to have a show original, click on this show original option. If you just need to translate, click on this translate option. It will translate it. Just click on this X mark to close the translate option. So whenever you just click on the three dot and click on the swipe down, click on the translate option, it will be translate to the language that actually you already chosen. You can just change whenever you just need it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.